persons in your circumstances perhaps would use would be a Medicaid Asset Protection Trust. We legally permissibly shield your assets. So we open up an irrevocable trust. I want to say this before you leave, and I don't want to confuse anyone. The revocable trust can be a great document. Both of you can be the trustees of that trust. That's a circumstance of a revocable trust. You can be your own trustees. An irrevocable trust, you cannot be your own trustee. So someone other than you, an adult person, can be a trustee of the trust. So it could be your adult son, if that's what you chose. It seems to follow a great testamentary scheme or plan to have your son be the trustee. Does that sort of make you beholden to him? If the house was in the trust and you wanted to sell, you'd say, son, I'd like to sell. And he says, no, the house is great. Stay here. Well, then you'd have to fire him. And you say, I don't want you to be you do have that ability. You're allowed to fire your trustee. But a lot of times in these type of trusts, like the Vanderbilts before us, the Gettys, the Rockefellers, it's a legal fiction, right? And we kind of work in conjunction. So your son is the trustee, but you're in control of the trustee. So that being said, the irrevocable trust also affords you asset protection. This way, there's no Medicaid lien. There's no issues on your property. No creditors, no predators, no one attacking it. And that's how you preserve your assets. So if you decided to sell the house, the proceeds would stay inside the trust. And if you wanted to fund an assisted living for a period of time, you use the funds, you use the proceeds.